But in 1929, a former Zeppelin designer, Claude Dornier, believed the future lay with flying boats and designed this, the DOX, the largest aeroplane the world had ever seen. Because the engines were not very powerful, the aircraft needed 12 of them. The DOX made several stately trips across the Atlantic. Inside, it had the space, luxury, and service of a grand hotel. On one of its flights, it took off with 150 passengers, 10 crew, and 9 stowaways. But its design was impractical. Fully loaded, it could only fly at a height of 500 feet. As a commercial venture, it was a hopeless proposition, and only 3 were ever built.